Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up, set the parking brake. I just used it, so I know it works. You can see the brake light works because the brake's on. Here the fan works. Wipers. Horn works. Blinker to the left and blinker to the right. Sorry, that's a little blurry because I was trying to concentrate on the TV. And I don't have a bulb in the dome light right now, so I don't know if the old AM radio works or not. It makes some static. Yeah, it does.
Older people apparently have better mental health.
There's Radio Wake aftermarket gauges on it.
Confidence peaks around the age of 60.
Just turning the lights on, but there's a motor engine compartment, hasn't been detailed or anything. Manual brakes, manual steering. Does run good though. Drives good. There's your headlights. Quick connect on the battery for let it sit. Set the paint on, it's very nice. Dual exhaust. There's your tail lights. So if you're looking for a nice above average driver quality car, give me a call, 605-695-7391.